Hare Krishna from Sri Lankan Alps. We are in the mountain area here, and I realized that I'm more like Hindu, becoming Hindu, like or Indian person, because they in the cold weather wear hat, jacket, like jeans or like something warm, and slippers on barefoot. It's only Indian people who do like this, I guess. I don't know why. Maybe they're lazy to have different kinds of shoes. Just slippers is enough for all seasons, and that's amazed me a lot in Vrindavan also. When in 5 degree, local people wear only slippers. I'm freezing at this time with this weather.
Да, скажи, вот мой муж не индус, он в кроссовках.
My husband is not Indian person, not like Indian. He wears sneakers. Here is a driver. Do you have a driving license? Driving license for riding a swan?
Two.
This flower is called Kala, and Kala means time. Today I read in Srimad Bhagavatam that this world, material world, is controlled by the time. And this world, even it lasts millions of years, it finishes because the time ends. But Krishna is the one who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and He controls the time. And He is not influenced by time. And many people, they tend to go to heavenly planets because life there is much longer. One day here is 6 months in the heavenly planet. But everywhere in this universe, life ends. The body is temporary. And that's why our goal is to make our soul realized and realize our eternal loving relationship